In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily edit your products on the Fresha dashboard. This is a simple process that gives you the flexibility to make changes to your product listings right from the comfort of your workspace. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to go to the Fresha dashboard. Once you're logged in and have your dashboard in front of you, take a look over on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll notice several icons there. The one you'll want to focus on is the catalog, which is depicted by a book icon. Give that a click to open up more options within the catalog section. Next, within the catalog, you should see another option on the left labeled Products. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll find all your product listings, neatly organized and ready for you to browse through. Once you're in the Products section, a list of all the products you've listed will be right there in front of you. Take your time to scroll through and find the specific product you wish to edit. Click on that product, and it will take you to a new page dedicated to your selected product. On this detailed product page, you will notice two key buttons on the right-hand side. One is the Edit button for basic information, and the other is the Edit button for stock information. Depending on your needs, you can choose either button. If you want to change aspects such as the product name, description, or price, you'll go with the basic Info Edit button. Alternatively, if you need to update quantities or any specifics about stock levels, you would choose the Stock Info Edit button. After clicking the appropriate Edit button, you'll find yourself in the editing mode. Here, you can make whatever changes necessary to improve or update your product listing. This is an area where you have total control, so ensure that all details are accurate and reflect what you need. And that's it. Once you've made your desired changes, be sure to save them, and your product information will be updated immediately. The changes are then reflected for anyone who accesses your product listings, ensuring that you always present the most current and accurate information. I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. Updating your products using the Fresha dashboard is a fast and efficient way to keep everything in line with your business needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and